Welcome back to Corsaire helicopter flight training. Troy here again. Today's segment we're going to look at horizontal and vertical stabilizers that are fitted to our helicopter. So these are fitted to every aircraft. I'm going to have a bit of a discussion about those. Today we're looking at the EC130. So we've got a horizontal stabilizer and a vertical stabilizer. Now, as the name suggests, these surfaces provide stability to the helicopter in forward flight. Have a looking at our horizontal stabilizer first up here. You'll notice that it's an inverted aerofoil. So this is providing a downwards force on our tail as we accelerate and cruise in forward flight. It allows us to have a little bit more of a nose up attitude. As we accelerate, our disc tilts forward. We tend to tilt a little bit more nose down, pitch nose down. So the inverted aerofoil provides that downwards force to give us a little bit more of a nose up attitude. So here at the tail of our EC130, I just wanted to point out the offset angle on our vertical stabilizer. Now, if we were to draw a line straight down the center of our fuselage, you'll notice that the leading edge of the vertical stabilizer is actually pointing out to the left-hand side of the aircraft. So as we accelerate the aircraft forward or are in a cruise, the vertical stabilizer is providing a force on the tail boom which pushes the aircraft nose around to the right. Now, this unloads our tail rotor during forward flight and improves the efficiency of the aircraft. If we now compare our R44 to our EC130 that we were just having a look at, you'll notice that the assembly is exactly the same. So we've got the horizontal stabilizer and the vertical stabilizer. Now, although they're about half the scale, they provide exactly the same aerodynamic benefits as our EC130 that we were looking at previously. So having an understanding of how our vertical stabilizer helps us as helicopter pilots in forward flight can prove to be a vital tool. If we were to lose our tail rotor during forward flight, that vertical stabilizer may produce enough lift to provide some directional stability. Now, in the EC130, if we lost our tail rotor, the nose would yaw to the left. If we have sufficient airspeed, our vertical fin on the back could provide enough lift to help us maintain our directional control out the front until we can find a suitable landing area. Thank you for joining us again, guys. If you have any ideas or things that you would like covered by the team here at Corsaire Helicopter Flight Training, leave a comment in the section below. Additionally, if you would like to start your process to become a commercial helicopter pilot, visit our website or call our team at the flight school. We'll be happy to help you out and start your journey. See you next week.